Our journey begins in the mouth, where digestion kicks off. Teeth act like tiny grinders, breaking down food into smaller pieces. Saliva joins the party, moistening food and making it easier to swallow. Did you know saliva also contains special enzymes? These enzymes start breaking down carbohydrates right there in your mouth. This is just the beginning of an amazing process. The tongue is a crucial player in this first stage. It mixes food with saliva, forming a soft ball called a bolus. The tongue then pushes the bolus towards the back of your throat, ready for its descent down the esophagus. This whole process, from bite to swallow, is just the first step in the digestive journey. Next stop, the esophagus. This muscular tube acts like a highway, transporting the bolus from your mouth to your stomach. Muscles in the esophagus contract and relax, pushing the food downward in a wave-like motion called peristalsis. It's like a carefully coordinated dance, ensuring the food reaches its destination. The stomach, a J-shaped organ, awaits the arrival of the bolus. Here the real breakdown begins. The stomach churns and mixes the food with gastric juices. These juices are powerful, containing acids and enzymes that break down proteins. Think of it as a food processor, turning your meal into a creamy mixture called chyme. The chyme moves on to the small intestine, a long coiled tube. Don't be fooled by its name. The small intestine plays a big role. Here the chyme is further broken down by enzymes from the pancreas and liver. These organs work tirelessly behind the scenes, aiding in digestion. The small intestine is where the magic of nutrient absorption happens. Tiny finger-like projections called villi line the walls, increasing the surface area for maximum absorption. Nutrients from the broken down food pass through the villi into the bloodstream, providing your body with energy and building blocks. Finally, the journey leads us to the large intestine. By now, most of the nutrients have been absorbed, leaving behind indigestible materials and water. The large intestine's primary job is to absorb water from this waste, solidifying it into stool. The remaining waste travels to the rectum, the last stop on our digestive journey. Here, it is stored until it is ready to be eliminated from the body through the anus. This regular removal of waste is crucial for maintaining a healthy and happy gut. From the first bite to the final elimination, the human digestive system is a marvel of nature. Each organ plays a vital role in breaking down food, absorbing nutrients, and eliminating waste. Taking care of your digestive health is essential for overall well-being, ensuring your body receives the nourishment it needs to thrive.